Hello, I'm Dr. Lim Yong Wei, a consultant from the Urology Department at Sengkang General Hospital. In this video, we'll guide you on how to use a bladder diary. This is a chart which tracks the type and volume of fluid intake, how often you empty your bladder, the amount of urine voided, and any urine leakage. This provides us with a better understanding of your bladder symptoms and hence helping to improve our treatment plans for you.
You will be given a paper chart by the nurses after your consult with your urologist. You will need a plastic measuring jug to measure the volume of urine after you have passed, a measuring water bottle to measure the volume you drink. Some people find it useful to measure the capacity of the cups they use regularly at home. Wake up and sleeping time. Begin writing your diary when you wake up each day. Indicate the hash sign as the time you wake up and indicate the star sign as the time you go to sleep. Fluid intake. Every time you have a drink, write down the time of fluid intake, type of fluid intake, for instance, water, tea, or juice. Amount taken in milliliters. Urination. Throughout the day, every time you empty your bladder, pass your urine into your measuring jug. When you have finished, put the jug on a level surface and record it down in milliliters. Write down the time and the amount in the chart. Then, flush the urine down the toilet and rinse the jug. Urgency. Write U each time you feel urgent to empty your bladder. Leakage. At any time of the day, if you experience any urine leak, write down W and the time of leakage. It will be helpful if you could indicate what you were doing at the time of leakage. This could be a cough, exercising, or on your way to the toilet. Each time you use a pad, write P. Duration of diary. It is preferable to keep a diary for at least 3 days. The 3 days of charting do not need to be in a row, just as long as they represent 3 typical days for you. So, drink what you usually drink and go to the toilet as normal. For each day, the charting should be 24 hours. For example, if you wake up at 7 a.m., take notes till 7 a.m. the following day. Bring your completed chart with you when you come for your next clinic appointment.
I hope this information provides you with a clearer understanding of how to use a bladder diary. Thank you.